Ready to get moving and don't know who to call? Call Cooper's Logistics and Haulage Limited, your trusted partner for logistics and haulage. We have dry box body trucks, 3 to 20 tons, island-wide delivery, operated by experienced drivers with safe and efficient transportation. With us, your shipment is in good hands. Cooper's Logistics and Haulage Limited, reliable, efficient, island-wide. Call 876-665-0682 or 876-834-6077. Cooper's Logistics and Haulage Limited, your partner in transportation. For you, we will make the journey.